Ahoy everyone! Welcome to this exciting journey into the world of the Czech language. I'm so excited to have you here. Whether you're planning a trip to the beautiful Czech Republic or simply want to impress your friends with some basic phrases, this video is your key to unlocking everyday conversations. We'll be diving into the top 50 conversational Czech phrases that will make you feel more confident navigating common situations. Imagine yourself effortlessly ordering food, asking for directions, or even just saying hello like a local. Get ready to learn, repeat, and most importantly, have fun. We'll recap all the phrases at the end, so get ready to speak some Czech. Let's start with a friendly Dobrý den, which means good day. For a more casual greeting, use ahoj, meaning hello or hi. Now let's ask Jak se máte, which means how are you, show you care. Děkuji means thank you, good manners go a long way. Prosím means please, remember to be polite. A no is a simple yes, see you're getting it. And ni means no, easy peasy. Promiň means excuse me, useful for getting someone's attention. Kolik to stojí will help you ask, how much does it cost? Kde je toaleta? Where is the bathroom? Nature calls. Use kde je toaleta to find the bathroom. Mluvíte anglicky? Do you speak English? Ask mluvíte anglicky to find out if someone speaks English. Nerozumím. I don't understand. If you don't understand, say nerozumím. Pomoc. Help. In case of emergency, shout pomoc for help.
Know you've been a good friend.
Jmenuji se. My name is. Introduce yourself with jmenuji se, followed by your name. Odkud jste? Where are you from? Ask odkud jste to find out where someone is from. Kolik je hodin? What time is it? Need to know the time? Ask kolik je hodin? Můžete mi pomoci? Can you help me? Request help politely with můžete mi pomoci? Kde je? Where is? Ask kde je, followed by the place you're looking for. Koto je. What is this? Curious about something? Ask koto je? Jak se jmenujete? What is your name? Ask jak se jmenujete to find out someone's name. Kdy? When? Kdy means when. Simple and to the point. Kdo? Who? Kdo means who. Another important question word. Proč. Why? Ask proč when you want to know why. Jak? How? Jak means how. Useful for asking for instructions. Který? Which? Use který to ask which when given a choice. Můžete to zopakovat? Can you repeat that? Didn't catch something? Say můžete to zopakovat? Můžete mluvit pomaleji? Can you speak more slowly? Ask můžete mluvit pomaleji if you need someone to slow down. Title. Jak se dostanu do? How do I get to? Ask jak se dostanu do to find your way around. Title. Kolik to stojí? How much is it? Another way to ask for the price is kolik to stojí? Title. Mám rezervaci. I have a reservation. Let them know you've planned ahead with Mom rezervací. Kde je nejbližší bankomat? Where is the nearest ATM? Find cash with kde je nejbližší bankomat. Můžu platit kartou? Can I pay by card? Ask. Můžu platit kartou? To see if you can use your card. Můžete mi ukázat cestu? Can you show me the way? Request directions with můžete mi ukázat cestu? Jaké je dnes počasí? What is the weather today? To discuss the weather, you can ask jaké je dnes počasí? Můžete mi doporučit restauraci? Can you recommend a restaurant? To find a great place to eat, just say můžete mi doporučit restauraci? Kde je nejbližší lékárna? Where is the nearest pharmacy? To locate a pharmacy, you can ask kde je nejbližší lékárna? Můžete mi zavolat taxi? Can you call me a taxi? Need a ride? Ask můžete mi zavolat taxi? Kde je nejbližší nemocnice? Where is the nearest hospital? In case of a medical emergency, know how to ask. Kde je nejbližší nemocnice? Můžete mi dát slevu? Can you give me a discount? Try your luck at a bargain with můžete mi dát slevu? Kde je nejbližší supermarket? Where is the nearest supermarket? Find groceries with kde je nejbližší supermarket? Můžete mi pomoci najít? Can you help me find? Ask for help finding something specific with můžete mi pomoci najít? Jak se dostanu na nádraží? How do I get to the train station? Navigate public transport with jak se dostanu na nádraží? Kde je nejbližší autobusová zastávka? Where is the nearest bus stop? Find the bus stop with kde je nejbližší autobusová zastávka? Můžete mi říct, kde je? Can you tell me where? Is? Ask for directions to a specific place with můžete mi říct, kde je? Jak se dostanu na letiště? How do I get to the airport? Don't miss your flight. Ask, jak se dostanu na letiště? Kde je nejbližší pošta? Where is the nearest post office? Locate the post office with kde je nejbližší pošta. Můžete mi říct, jak se dostanu do... Can you tell me how to get to... Another way to ask for directions is... Můžete mi říct, jak se dostanu do... Kde je nejbližší hotel? Where is the nearest hotel? Find a place to stay with kde je nejbližší hotel? Můžete mi říct, kde je nejbližší bankomat? Can you tell me where the nearest ATM is? Another way to ask for an ATM is... Můžete mi říct, kde je nejbližší bankomat? Můžete mi říct, kde je nejbližší restaurace? Can you tell me where the nearest restaurant is? Find a bite to eat with. Můžete mi říct, kde je nejbližší restaurace? Congratulations, you did it. Wow, we covered a lot of ground today. You've learned 50 essential Czech phrases that will make your next interaction so much smoother. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing these phrases, and you'll be surprised how quickly you start to understand and speak Czech. Don't be afraid to use them in real conversations. Even if you make mistakes, that's how you learn. Thank you so much for joining me on this Czech language adventure. Don't forget to subscribe for more language learning tips and tricks. Na shledanu.